Here are the top 3 skills you can learn in 5 minutes that will permanently improve your life if applied. Below I have listed these skills and given you the benefits of these skills as well as how to obtain this skill. Being intentional with everything you do. What it will do for you. You will get more of what you want and less of what you do not. Without an intention, you are just aimlessly hoping for the best result, reacting to the world rather than acting upon it. This will only get you want by chance. You will feel in control. When you act upon the world and get what you want because of it, you will feel empowered and in control. This will remove a large amount of doubt, fear and concerns from your daily life. You will automatically develop leadership qualities. Everyone is a leader for their own life, but when you are intentional about everything you do, you increase these skills passively. Leaders take massive actions, which comes right after being intentional. How to get this skill? Remind yourself as often as you can. The only reason you are not intentional right now, and live a rather passive life, is because you do not spend the time on figuring out what you want of the situation, mostly because you forget. Set an alarm on your phone or start wearing a bracelet as a reminder, and every time you look at it, or your alarm goes off, ask yourself, what is my intention here? What do I hope to gain out of it? In doing so, you will become intentional as a second nature, which will lead you to an actively lived life, seeking out everything you desire rather than hoping and waiting for it to magically appear in front of you. Gratitude. Just because it feels awesome. What it will do for you. You will be flat out more happy. No matter your income, status or skill sets, if you can be grateful for what you have, you will find happiness. This is why monks who gave up everything, families who have nothing, and people who have lost everything can still be more happy than those that have millions in their bank accounts. You will feel more connected to every person. Realizing what you have will undoubtedly make you become grateful for just being alive and human sooner or later. This will increase your kindness to others that share this experience, which is basically everyone. Every day will seem awesome. Even in the pouring rain, you might see beauty and happiness there. That doesn't mean you will go around crying tears of joy at it, but you learn to appreciate even the worst days. Which, again, doesn't mean you have to stay in those negative moments and become blindly, insanely optimistic. It's just about finding a reason to dance in the rain. How to get this skill? Spend 5 minutes a day looking for things to thank. There is always something to be thankful for. The more you do this, the easier it will come to you, and eventually you will be able to bring forth this whenever you want. This, in the end, means you can be happy whenever you chose to be. Which is a pretty powerful skill for only taking 5 minutes to learn. Honesty with yourself. What it will do for you. Improving your life on your own. You will not need anyone to help you out, as you will constantly improve your life for the better. Obviously, everything goes better and faster with help, but it will not be a requirement anymore. When you learn this skill, you will be able to make a quick check on your current situation and accurately judge what is going on. You will stop feeling like you are missing something. The biggest reason we all feel like there is something missing is because we do not tackle the problems with honesty. We try to deny, justify or run away from the things that really matter to us, causing us to feel unloved, not valuable, or like we are missing out on something. When you are honest with yourself, you will acknowledge all of these things, and even if your life looks a bit more grim because of it, the void will be filled nonetheless. You will quickly be able to dissipate most negative emotions. Whenever you feel something negative, whether it be sadness, anger or fear, it is because you are reacting to something on the outside that triggers these emotions. If you really want to dissipate them, you must first accept that they are there. Your mind is trying to make you aware of something that is not going right with these emotions. Once you see what that is, the emotions die down, as there is no reason to have them anymore. Your emotional self is giving the floor to the logical self, in knowing that only the logical self can assess the situation for a good solution. How to get this skill? Spend just 1 minute every now and again looking at your current emotions. All you need to do is sit still, close your eyes, and acknowledge what you feel. Do so without any judgment and simply acknowledge the emotion for what it is. If anything, find a reason for why it is there, but again, do not judge it for being bad or good. If you feel anger, okay. Sadness. Fine. Fear. Acknowledged. Simply accept what you feel and then see what you will do about it. The second step would be to ask yourself if you want this emotion or want a different one. With the third step being to setting some time aside to deal with the emotion at some point. This will ensure that the emotion feels heard, so to speak, and if it shows up again you can just look at the time you set aside and tell yourself that it is taken care of. Try this for just one day, doing it multiple times, and you will find that most negative emotions dissipate right away.